Good afternoon. My name is I.Boothe. I'm the Supervisory Senior Resident Agent for FBI Washington, D.C. The FBI is providing investigative assistance to the Metropolitan Police Department regarding the active shooter incident at the Defend Our Natural Resources demonstration. At 12:25 p.m. today, sounds of gunfire erupted into the crowd approaching the U.S. Capitol. A witness at the scene reported an unidentified male shooting into the crowd of demonstrators at the corner of 3rd and Pennsylvania Southwest. Sadly, in the shooting today, 23 people were injured and 6 people, including 2 MPD police officers and the shooter, have succumbed to their wounds. MPD Police Chief Robert Connie III confirmed MPD police officers engaged and killed the armed individual. The active shooter has been identified by the MPD as James Roswell, 24, of Fayette, West Virginia. Roswell was an outspoken member of the United Mine Workers of America Union at the time of the shooting. Roswell was carrying an AR-15 assault rifle and a backpack full of ammunition. At 4 p.m. today, the FBI and West Virginia State Police executed a joint raid on the apartment of James Roswell. Authorities seized a large quantity of acetone, nitric acid, and hydrogen peroxide. These chemicals are used to make a highly explosive substance known as triacetone triperoxide, or TATP. Investigators also recovered several semi-automatic AR-15 assault rifles, large amounts of ammunition, and small makeshift improvised explosive devices. Historically, TATP explosives have been used in several infamous attacks, including Madrid in 2004, Brussels in 2012, and Paris in 2015. Cybersecurity investigators, along with Pepco Power Company officials, have successfully leveraged backup systems to restore DC power to a good known state. The FBI is providing investigative assistance to the MPD regarding reports of a disgruntled Pepco employee installing malware into the Power's company operating system. At 6 p.m. this evening, power was fully restored to Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser said, "This is a tragic incident for our community. On behalf of the district and the D.C. Council, our thoughts and prayers go out to the victims and families. This is an unfolding situation. MPD, with the assistance of the FBI and regional law enforcement partners from the West Virginia State Police, are on scene and currently investigating. The public is urged to avoid the area as the investigation into the shooting and possible cyber attack are ongoing. At the time of this briefing, all local roads are open for traffic. Please be reminded to check on friends, family, and neighbors located in the area to determine if any form of assistance may be needed. Continue to exercise caution in the impacted areas. Follow the If You See Something, Say Something campaign by reporting suspicious behavior and situations on the Metropolitan Police Department's official community reporting website, iWatch, or call 202-727-9099. Suspicious activity may also be reported using the FBI tip line at 1-800-CALL-FBI or 1-800-225-5324. Doing so could help prevent possible terrorist and other criminal activity. To report emergencies, call 911. Please continue to monitor the FBI homepage for additional information.